Do you know that? Elevenlabs going to launch a new brand sound effects features and something that's going to revolutionize the way you create audio. Elevenlabs' brand new sound effects library. Whether you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, podcast creator, or just someone who loves to add a little extra polish to their projects, this is a game changer. Sound effects, or SFX for short, are those little bursts of audio that bring your projects to life. They can be anything from the swoosh of a sword, to the creak of a door, to the laughter of a crowd. They set the scene, create atmosphere, and add a layer of realism that can take your work from good to great. But finding the right sound effects can be a real pain. Royalty-free libraries are often limited and expensive. Paid options can be even pricier, and sifting through endless sound packs takes forever. Plus, there's always the worry about quality. Will these effects sound real and professional? For this problem, I'm introducing the solution that is none other than Elevenlabs sound effects. Elevenlabs solves all those problems with their amazing new sound effects library. It's a massive collection of high-quality, royalty-free sound effects that you can access right from your Elevenlabs dashboard. No more endless downloads or expensive subscriptions. Imagine a sound and bring it to life, or explore a selection of the best sound effects generated by the community. But the real magic happens when you start listening. These sound effects are incredible. They're crisp, clear, and professional sounding, and they'll instantly elevate your projects. Need the roar of a lion for your jungle documentary? It's there. Want the subtle clatter of dishes in a kitchen scene? They've got you covered. And the best part? Using these sound effects in Elevenlabs is a breeze. Just drag and drop them into your workspace, and they'll seamlessly integrate with your other audio tracks. Let's take a listen to some examples. This is the interface, where we can generate the sound effects that brings life to the sound effects. We can simply add what sound effects we need to create. For example, let me give dog barks in the street. Click on Generate Sound Effects. It is generating. It will generate 5 generation with different modulation. Which modulations you like, so you can download it accordingly. If you like all he version, you can download all. Let's hear all the generation one by one. First, let me click Generation 1. Generation 2. Generation 3. Generation 4. And lastly, Generation 5. If you see these all generation, you can find the difference in each version. This is mind-blowing, right? Yes. Of course, I love this new feature. Likewise, I will generate another example too because I'm super excited to use this feature. Now let's create city background music. Click on Generate Sound Effects. It is generating. Again, the 5 generation. Let's hear one by one how this effects is. If you see, each version has different effects, like some is music goes fade in and out and some are effective. As you can hear, these sound effects make a world of difference. They add depth, realism, and polish to your audio, and they're so easy to use. But Elevenlabs sound effects library goes beyond just basic sound effects. They also offer a collection of unique and interesting sound sets that can add some real creative flair to your projects. Want to add the sound of a bustling city street to your podcast intro? There's a sound set for that. Need some spooky ambience for your Halloween video? They've got you covered. If you're looking for a way to take your audio projects to the next level, then Elevenlabs sound effects library is a must-have. It's a massive collection of high-quality, royalty-free sound effects that are easy to use and affordable. With Elevenlabs, you'll have everything you need to create professional-sounding audio that will captivate your audience. So head over to Elevenlabs today and check out their amazing new sound effects library. You won't be disappointed.